Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. This video is for our Body by Yoga VIPs in anticipation of the Yoga Body DVD launch on Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the things we do, or one particular thing that we do differently in the Yoga Body workouts that you can expect to see when that Yoga Body DVD comes out on April 7th on Amazon. And if you're not already a Body by Yoga VIP and you're watching this, you can become a VIP for free at manflowyoga.com/BBY-VIP. All right, so one of the things that we do differently in Yoga Body is we try to make yoga more fitness focused. And if you've been to a yoga class before, you're probably familiar with the Shavasana pose. And so this is at the end of class when you lie down on the ground and you basically take a nap. Now, that's really good for helping to release muscle tension, but I would like to use that time to help with stretching things. So what we do in Yoga Body is the following. So I'm going to have you get down onto the ground just like you normally would for Shavasana or corpse pose at the end of class. And instead of just lying down on your back with your arms along your sides, you're going to bring your heels in toward your butt and press the soles of your feet together. So we're going to do a butterfly stretch with your legs. And then instead of your arms along your sides, we're going to go goalpost arms. So elbows level with the shoulders and palms facing up, making a 90-degree bend with the elbows. Now, what's different about this is instead of the legs straight out and no stretch happening, now we've got the legs in a butterfly stretch. So we're opening up the hips, opening up the groin. This is something that almost everybody needs because we spend so much time sitting. And also, most people have bad shoulder mobility. So what we're doing with the arms in goalpost arms, instead of arms along the sides, is we're working on your shoulder mobility. So this is helping to stretch your pecs. This is helping to help rebalance your shoulders, so shifting your shoulders back to neutral because we tend to round our shoulders a lot. And so this is something that you can do in all of your yoga classes. If you're already doing Yoga Body, you can do that. And if you're not doing Yoga Body, you're just doing other workouts, you're welcome to use that variation in those other yoga workouts. And that's it. So Yoga Body is coming to DVD on April 7th. Be on the lookout for that. It's going to be on Amazon. And actually, we are renaming the Yoga Body DVD, so it's going to be called Yoga Strong on Amazon. And there's a few reasons why we did that, mostly because Yoga Body is already taken as a name, so we had to switch it. But we polled our Body by Yoga VIP members, and over 50% of you agreed that Yoga Strong, from four choices total, that Yoga Strong was the best option. And I'll define what Yoga Strong is in our next Body by Yoga VIP video. So just monitor your emails, and you will get that email when it comes out. And get ready for Yoga Body /Yoga Strong coming on April 7th. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.